To ensure clean cuts and safe use, it's important to always keep your knives sharp. The easiest way to do this is with a whetstone and a bit of old-fashioned elbow grease. Apply oil or soap to your whetstone, ensuring it is fully covered. Move the blade of the knife slowly across the surface of the whetstone in a smooth downward motion, like this, ensuring that you sharpen from the tip to the heel of the blade. Repeat this motion on both sides of the knife. Clean and dry your knife, and away you go. A nice, sharp, safe knife.